Poland has made a pivotal move in its armed forces overhaul by choosing the Allison 3040MX transmission for its Borsuk Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV. This decision is part of a larger national strategy focused on retiring outdated equipment and introducing fully homegrown military systems. On March 27, 2025, the Polish Armament Agency inked a landmark deal to supply 111 Borsuk IFVs, valued at approximately €1.53 billion. Deliveries will roll out from 2025 through 2029, launching the mass production phase. Manufacturing will be spearheaded by Huta Stalowa Walla, HSW, a division of the Polish defense conglomerate PGZ. Over the next decade or more, the industrial consortium aims to produce more than 1,400 units, signaling a long-term commitment to bolstering Poland's mechanized infantry capabilities. On July 16, 2025, Allison Transmission officially confirmed the order for its advanced 3040MX cross-drive transmissions, which will serve as the backbone of the Borsuk's mobility system. This development follows an earlier 2023 Memorandum of Understanding between Allison and PGZ, aimed at deepening collaboration on tracked vehicle projects and expanding Poland's service capacity for Allison systems. The 3040MX is a high-performance, modernized evolution of the long-standing X300 series used in NATO vehicles like Sweden's CV90 and the UK's Warrior. With decades of battlefield validation, the 3040MX brings enhanced maneuverability, fuel efficiency, and built-in electronic diagnostics to the table. Its high-speed reverse gear and integrated steering make it particularly suited for fast-paced combat scenarios. Powering the Borsuk is a robust MTU-8 V199 TE20 engine rated at 720 horsepower, paired seamlessly with the Allison transmission. Together, they enable the 30-ton amphibious vehicle to achieve speeds of up to 65 km per hour on roads and 8 km per hour in water, supported by a hydrojet propulsion system. With a range of 550 km, the Borsuk offers both endurance and adaptability across varied terrain. Designed to replace the obsolete Soviet BWP-1, the Borsuk accommodates a 3-person crew and 6 troops. Its modular armor system, built with Armour's 500T steel, offers STANAG 4569 Level 4 frontal protection and Level 3 lateral defense, as well as mine resistance compliant with Level 3A and 3B standards. The vehicle's main combat module is the ZSSW-30 remote turret, outfitted with a 30mm Bushmaster Mk44S autocannon, a 7.62mm UKM, 2000C coaxial machine gun, and a pair of Spike LR anti-tank missiles. The integrated fire control system from WB Group allows for stabilized, on-the-move engagement, including hunter-killer capability. Additional onboard systems include the OBRA 3 soft-kill defense suite, a panoramic multispectral observation unit, and a sealed, pressurized compartment for protection against nuclear, biological, and chemical threats. One of the platform's most valuable features is its modularity. The Borsuk chassis supports a broad range of mission-specific variants, such as command vehicles, medevac units, NBC reconnaissance models, and fire support configurations, making it a flexible asset for Poland's evolving combat doctrine. The broader procurement plan was first laid out in February 2023 under a framework agreement to acquire up to 1,400 Borsuk units. That deal was contingent upon successful testing phases launched back in 2017. The March 2025 production contract for the initial 111 IFVs marks the official transition into mass production, with the first batch expected to be fielded by the end of the year. The integration of the Allison 3040MX transmission into the Borsuk IFV is more than a technical upgrade, it reflects a strategic alignment between Polish defense ambitions and proven Western engineering. This fusion of domestic production with global defense technology lays the foundation for a new generation of combat vehicles, capable of thriving in modern, multi-domain battle environments.